Zenon is an industrial software platform which is used to realize digitalization and automation projects in various different industries. At this SPS Fair 2024, it's the first time that it's shown to public how Zenon can use digital twins in form of AAS and how Zenon can manage them. We have several ways of doing this in Zenon. First of all, we can get the asset administration shell's asset interface description to establish the communication with devices that are described. So this will fasten up and simplify the onboarding process of devices. And it's also shown how it can read and write time series data in order to make the data exchange with other systems easier. For devices which do not have an AAS yet, Zenon is also able to create an AAS in the repository. The user of Zenon will benefit from freedom of choice of technology and, of course, of the simpler and faster engineering process. One goal is, of course, to make the onboarding process of devices, of industrial devices, easier. This will help Zenon users to save time, reduce costs, and reduce also their errors. Another aspect is, of course, the increased interoperability, which also helps customers to get the freedom of choice when it comes to technology. In an ecosystem where we have so many technology providers, it's of course always a challenge to find common standards for communication and for languages and so on. And when we talk about challenges in the industry, then we hear more and more the challenge of worker scarcity. This means Zenon users face the challenge to get the same work done with less and less people. And that's why we also want to emphasize here how important it is to make processes, for example in onboarding, but also other processes, faster and simpler and less error prone. And this is what this use case also tackles here. The vision is that all these functionalities that are shown now here at the fair will be part of the standard Zenon platform functionalities. So every Zenon user can benefit from the scalability of these functionalities and from the gathered and gained interoperability. The OI4 creates great frames for collaboration between many different companies. For this specific use cases, they really helped to get things started. So with documentation, with information, with examples of implementation and so on. And also, members helped us to get physical devices here for the showcase, for example. And in general, the OI4 really acts as a conduit for collaboration between different members.